Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, I will show you that how does FTP server works. The file transfer protocol is used for the transmission of file. File transfer protocol is a network protocol that allows user to transfer files between computer over the internet. It works by, first of all, the condition is establishing a connection. A user connect to an FTP server using an FTP client. The connection can be anonymous or require a username and password. The second condition is opening channels. The two channels are opened, one for command and replies and one for transferring data. Transferring data files. User can upload and download files using the put and get commands. Transmitting the session. When the files transfer is complete, the connection is closed to release resources and ensure no data is in transit because of the hacking. Here are some other things to know about FTP. Like FTP uses Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Control Protocol to transfer files. File or FTP servers can be accessed using a server address which can be in the form of a domain name and numeric address. Some FTP server allows for anonymous connection which don't require a username or password. FTP doesn't have to build security features, so it's easy to hack. An extension to the FTP standard called explicit FTPS allows client to request encrypted FTP sessions. FTP transfer can use the three different modes like block, stream and compressed. So here is the main obligation when you are transferring file. There's some hacking also possible, so that's why sometimes we need to set up a protection. So here is the first of all protection is about the firewall, and the second one is the command you should use inside the file transfer time. So this command will drive inside the description, so check it on the description. FTP transfer can use three different modes: block, stream and compressed. You can see here I have started the FTP Wi-Fi server inside the mobile, and here's the IP address I am sending and trying to connect it with PC according to the numeric IP address. This is temporarily generated. So hereby you can see here I have just select a external or add a connection network system, and hereby I am use the numeric address IP address to connect with my phone number or phone. So here almost every facility of phone will be approved, or phone particular phone mobile phone IP address will be shared from the FTP server. So that's why you can access any kinds of file. It should be media, it should be documentary or audio file. You can share or you can delete, you can manipulate it, because the access has already given by the numeric IP address. That's it. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye for now.